seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth. If you've ever looked at a globe, you'll know that they're tilted. Right now, we're looking at summer in the southern hemisphere. You'll notice that the sun shines almost directly on the Tropic of Capricorn to 23.5 degrees below the equator. When we get to the equinox, then as the Earth rotates, the sun is shining directly on the equator, and we have an equal amount of night and day. And during the fall in the southern hemisphere and the spring in the northern hemisphere, you have similar temperatures. But as we advance in, and the sun is now hitting the Tropic of Cancer, more of the southern hemisphere is lit, and the poles, or the southern pole, is almost entirely dark. So in the wintertime, we get a lot less sun at the poles. But if we take and say, okay, here's the tilt of the Earth for the summer, we'll notice that the poles get a lot more light. And so during the summer, it's almost always light up above the Arctic Circle. And so in the winter it's dark, summer it's light. The seasons, though, are caused by the tilt of the Earth. So here's an equinox where the light is shining pretty much equally on both hemispheres. Then, as summer comes to the northern hemisphere, more light on the northern than the southern, and as it changes, we get more light on the southern than the northern. We're approximately 93 million miles from the sun, and our orbit is nearly circular, just a little bit of an ellipse. And so the distance from the sun doesn't make a lot of difference in our seasons. In fact, in January, when we're coldest, we're actually closest to the sun.